Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to turn off stolen device protection on your iPhone iOS 18. For example, recently if you have turned on the stolen device protection so that you can add an extra security layer to your settings. So if you want to turn it off now, so how you can do that? For this, what you have to do, you have simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to make sure that you are connected to a proper Wi-Fi and internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And here you have to go to general, and after that you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. Here you have to click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. And after that, what you have to do, you have to simply go back. Now what you have to do, if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then you have to go to settings again, and this time you have to go to face ID and passcode, and you have to provide the passcode. Now what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of stolen device protection. So as you can see, there is option available. So if you want to turn it off, then you have to turn off this toggle. So here is another feature, that if you try to turn off the stolen device protection, then security delay is required to change the stolen device protection settings, which means you have to wait for 1 hour so that you will be able to turn off your stolen device protection. Turning off or restarting your iPhone will restart the delay. Then you have to make sure that if you turn off your iPhone or restart, then it will also restart the security delay. So if you want to turn off the stolen device protection, then you have to make a security delay so that you will be able to turn off the stolen device protection. And you have to also make sure that your face ID is working well, because otherwise you will not be able to turn off the stolen device protection on your iPhone without face ID. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.